Restoring the health and value of our ocean demands unlocking $140 billion per year and a groundbreaking movement. eOceans is poised to make this happen. Let's dive in. This is Dr. Christine Ward-Paige, a 20-year veteran in leading local to global marine science for government, academia, NGOs, and industry. Her research spans pollution, fisheries, endangered species, biodiversity, protected areas, economics, and more. The problem that she and all of her colleagues face is that all the work is still manual, siloed, and slow. They're still searching the ocean for one thing at a time, handwriting down their observations, entering into spreadsheet, writing code, and doing some maps to analyze and publish years to decades later. Take this very local example, where DFO published a progress report on the very important Atlantic salmon in 2021. But the last data point was collected in 2015. That's at least 6 years out of date. The same is true for all reaches of our ocean, 190 coastal countries, 200,000 plus species, and a growing list of issues and threats. How can we ever keep pace with business, society, and ocean change? Enter eOceans. eOceans is a powerful data collection app with analytics, GIS, and dissemination platform built in. So how does it work in 5 simple steps? Step 1, Christine uploads her project details and an outline of her study area. This takes about an hour. Step 2, she invites her team of contributors. This can be a small, trusted, highly trained team of scientists, or it can be a global participatory or citizen science project. It really depends on the nature of the research. Step 3, they upload existing data sets to eOceans for analysis, or they use the eOceans mobile app to log data in real time in the field. Step 5, they review and discuss the results and make action plans. That's right, there was no step 4, because eOceans did all the heavy lifting in between, unlocking 80% of Christine and her colleagues' time. There were no notes, no spreadsheets, and no calling out into the abyss. No matter how you look at it, eOceans delivers profound value. And no, eOceans does not sell advertisements and does not sell your data. Users own their data and decide who to share it with. Instead, we offer subscription services to upgrade to Explorer or Pro, where it's free to put data in and to share with as many people or projects as you want. And you can have real-time analytics for subscriptions. Today, I have just one ask, and that's to join this movement. Download the eOceans app onto your phone. Have it ready for the next time you're by the coast, taking the ferry, sailing, fishing, or anything by the ocean, and start logging what you see to help scientists like Christine to better understand what's happening in the ocean so they can make smart recommendations for policy and conservation. Because sensors won't save the ocean, but people can. eOceans, for the ocean, for us.